अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूं अब्दुल 7 न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तकबाल है। सहारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की जानिब से शेखपेट में गरीब लेबर्स को खाना तकसीम किया गया है। आइए देखते हैं हमारे नुमाइंदे मोहम्मद अली अखिल की ये रिपोर्ट।
ముసలాయనకి ముసలి వాళ్ళు ఉంటే ఒక తీసుకెళ్ళి మీరే ఇవ్వండి.
बॉडी से बॉडी
ज़्यादा होगा.
Different culture,
different traditions,
different people,
all under one roof.
and a tree of knowledge. This is
Success Junior College.
Success Junior College. Academic excellence with reasonable fee structure. Excellent, highly qualified faculty. Well-furnished and hygienic classrooms.
And Parthas are the principal Success Junior College. Nowadays, all colleges are giving only education, but in our Success Junior College marks a difference by giving education with great discipline and developing their communication skills for future competition.
Learning made easy with exploratory science lab, separate building and namaz hall for boys and girls. Remarkable results in every subject.
Join your ward in success for his or her future success.
Reach the success through Success Junior College, opposite Indian Petrol Pump, Santosh Nagar, Hyderabad.
खबर है शहर की,
खबर है गाँव की,
खबर है सारी दुनिया की।
7H न्यूज़
पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए,
शेयर कीजिए
और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
7H न्यूज़,
आपकी आवाज़।